y-intercept and our vertex, we're going to go and we're going to determine the zeros. I've pre-written it out and set it to 0, and we're going to use the quadratic equation for this problem. So to find our numbers to fill A, B, and C, we're going to use negative 0.25 for A, 16, positive 16 for B, and negative 18 for C. Now coming over here, we're going to tie that in by placing 16 where all our B's are. Negative 0.25 for all our A's, and negative 18 for our C's. Now because of this negative on the outside of our parentheses, our 16 outside of the square root will be negative. And then when we square the 16, we'll get 256 minus 18. Now this 18 does not come from here solely, it comes from multiplying all three of these numbers together. And then for our denominator, we'll get negative 0.5. After that, we'll subtract 18 from 256, and we'll get 238. And after that, we'll square root this in the calculator, which I have done beforehand, and we'll get 15.4 over negative 0.5. So we're not done yet, and so we're going to come up here, and because this is positive or negative, we're going to do two sets of problems. The first will be negative 16 plus 15.4 over negative 0.5, which will equal 1.2. And then the next half will be negative 16 minus 15.4, which equals 62.8. And to find our zeros, we're going to round those. And so the 1.2 will become 1, 0. And then the 62 will become 63, 0. And what this means for our problem is that if there's less than 1 or more than 63 vessels made, there won't be any sort of profit. So, and then we'll turn to Lindsay for our domain and range.